Hi Kate, I wanted to show you how to send a reminder to a recommender for a student. So let's look up our friend right here. You click on their application tab and then simply go down to, you can see this recommendation letter is in, but these two are not. So you click on each one of those individually. And then you can send the email link, and that will populate that requester's email. And I always just add my signature block in here, like so. And I also always BCC it to Slate Gateway so that it will populate in the student's timeline. Sometimes you do have to manually assign that. I'm not sure if that's a process you're familiar with, but I can certainly show you that too. So we'll go ahead and send this one. And then this one, oops, wrong thing. This one we'll do the same thing with. And send. So if you were curious how to use this Slate Gateway and make things appear on their timeline, obviously that won't send right away, but we can go into, let's see if I remember this. Using this, just click on that, search Slate Gateway, and you'll see email to Slate Gateway. This is the address. You will copy and paste that, and then in your email, you will add that as a contact. Let's remember how to do that. Let's see. Address book. And so you do edit, no, not edit, Slate. Well, how do you add a new one? Oh, file, new entry, new contact, put it in my contacts, okay, and then put Slate Gateway, and you probably can't see this, my screen's not big enough. Slate Gateway, and then the email that we just had display as Slate Gateway. You don't want all that extra jazz in there. And then save that, and then it should always pop up when you do the BCC and then type in Slate Gateway. And then when, if it doesn't automatically pop up on your student's timeline, you go back to the database and you search, I believe it's inbox. Nope, not inbox. Let's see. I can remember. Let's see. It's called something weird, so I never remember. It takes me a minute to get to. Do 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 do. Okay, I remember now. It's not under this. It is under deliver. And then you go to gateway inbox. And then you can see these are all the ones that I haven't assigned, as well as those last two that we just did. And we know to click on here and type back in the student's name, which was I don't know what was the rest of it. Joby. This one. And then we click assign. And then we should go back to his timeline, and you can see that those popped back up, and you can see exactly the email that I sent, as well as who I sent it to, and then it's all recorded.